I had money ukuthi ngimnike ayongilobola, it means something. Yeah, Tebogo, it's not my fault ukuthi wena awukashadi. Asifanani. Mina ngaba no boy no girl emshadweni Tebogo. Ngayifila iwarmth yomshado. Mina ngibuya ngami Tebogo, ngiyarenta manje. You understand? Tebogo akusi fault yami ukuthi wena ukazi ube nendoda ekugunda amashisha ubreak. Bayahamba bese kumele ukhiphe isisu. No, Tebogo akusi fault yami. Tebogo mina ngigundwe amashishi ngimithi athi umfana ithi ngigunde baby. Ngangishadile. No, iBhayibheli asilibeke Tebogo, thilisusi ngilibeka. Ngizothi forgive us as we forgive those who trespass against us. Mase ngicede ngawe Tebogo. Tebogo phela mina angikwazi yabona iproblem ukuthi wena uyangazi. Yeah, Tebogo. Tebogo akusi fault yami ukuthi wena awunayi i-FNB private worth. Yeah, no. Akusi fault yami ukuthi usebenzisa Capitec. Musu wenza umthwalo wakho wami. Wena phela ubuntu makacela bakathi ufuna ukufakela imali wena umnikeza inamba, i-cellphone number, kanti akusi wonke umuntu osebenzisa Capitec. Abanye abantu basebenzisa i-FNB like private worth.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Uthusela abaningi ukukusikoseni ngemva ko live yakhe where she revealed ukuthi yena wakhipha imali yakhe wayonika Monde shange ukuthi ayekomlobola because bekanayo imali and uMonde bekanganayo. Uthi njena the fact that ukwendile lokho it means a lot for yena. So people are shocked ukuthi ayibo umzalwane lo njani lona lokhuluma into letfana naleti bekathuka abantu. Okay, la kule live le bekathuka lintombatane bathi ngubani uTebogo Tebogo athuka Tebogo ukuthi uTebogo ugogo Sikhotheni was prophesying people ku live wathi ugeli yena amanga lawa wamngenela wamuthuka wamtshela tenhlamba. Everyone was shocked. People were even saying ukuthi are you drunk yini ayambolala. Wathi nomnye mfana bathi ngiRichard mangathi ambolala wangenela yena wamuthuka. Guys, so people are saying ukuthi blame uMawini for yonke lento le. People are saying ukuthi ngazi ukuthi uMawini unesandla ekusanganeni kwagogo Sikhotheni because siyakhumbula ukuthi wamtshela ukuthi uDomlo yena. People are saying ukuthi what if wamloya serious, because this is not the Sikhotheni we know. Like man khona into le off ngaye. She clearly needs help, and we can't say ukuthi awurepentile semzalwane, but imzalwane lunjani luthuka abantu. Mzalwane lunjani ukhipha atigaqa letingaka. Zolo lokho yena beka repent namhla so uyaprophesya fast kanjeni. People are saying ukuthi ubekela iBhayibheli lapha eqeleni wathi nje into ebekela iBhayibheli lapha eqeleni amkive akuTebogo. So people are saying ukuthi ayikho nje lento ya Sikhotheni lena. Sikhotheni awulahlekelwa ingqondo. Sibonela lenye video ya this other asangoma yesterday athi uSikhotheni usatohlanya, and it's not the first time akhuluma lokhu. Usatohlanya uSikhotheni vele uyaqala uyahlanya labadozane naye abamfunele lesito, because this is serious. It's a very, very serious matter. Akadlali lento la yendako. Akadlali lento la yendako, and utofuna ngisho nokukhipha impilo yakhe. Utofuna ngisho nokukhipha impilo yakhe because this thing is very, very serious. Labadozane naye uyasho bhuti ukuthi animtholele nesito mana kadendi lo sisi unenkinga le serious. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.